Hi guys, hold on, let me just turn that down for a second. Hi guys, welcome back to the S.10 squad. S.11 squad, I meant. Okay. Why does this look like... Oh, shh. Hold on guys, sorry. Okay guys, I finally fixed it. Hopefully you don't fall. Okay, I need to tighten this. Sorry guys, there's something wrong with this thing and I need to tighten it. Okay. So hi guys, welcome back to S.11 squad. And today's video, as I read by the title, it's gonna be like, oops, sorry guys, I'm watching iCarly. Today is going to be pranking my sister, like scaring her type thing, with my other phone down there. So I don't know how I'm not gonna do this, but I'm also going to be vlogging later today when my mom makes spaghetti and when we eat Chinese food. Oh, I should do a Chinese food mukbang. Like, my mom's gonna go get Chinese food in a little bit, and after I finish this video, and when my mom gets the Chinese food, I can, do a mukbang. Me and my sister, I gotta charge my phone, though, but... Okay. See you next. Okay, guys, so I have to go use the bathroom, so you're just gonna wait here while I get out. Be right back. Oops. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I'm just gonna go see what Vanessa's doing downstairs. Let's go. I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna be quiet, okay, guys? We're gonna be so quiet. Oh, Mommy, you're finna go get it? Can you get my chicken? The chicken that I like, the sour, the yellow, wait, what is it called? The orange chicken?
Orange chicken roll, yeah.
Yeah, the orange chicken. I don't like the sauce separate because it'd be disgusting. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be doing Chinese food mukbang. But whatever. My mom's gonna go get it. She's getting ready. Say hi to my vlog. Vanessa, next video, you want to do a mukbang with me? Chinese food mukbang? Mommy's gonna go get Chinese food. You want in the next video? Do you want to do a Chinese food mukbang? Okay. That's her. She's right on the steps.
Mommy?
She said, "Yeah."
Mommy? Yeah. Are you gonna get Chinese food? Yeah.
See, told you.
Oh,
So you still want to do the? You still want to do the mukbang?
No, I don't want to do
Oh. In the next video, when you buy Chinese food, I'm finna do my Chinese food mukbang.
What is that?
Is when you just eat and then you talk. Have you heard of mukbang before? It's like eat and talk about stuff all over YouTube, and I want to do that. I never done one. I don't think. I want to do one. People be doing McDonald's, Wendy's, Chinese food, pizza. I'm finna do my Chinese food. Why does this keep watering? Sorry guys, I gotta take care of something on the floor and it keeps like dripping out water. I'm gonna do another bit. Huh? You see I got my little YouTube camera? Show you something. I gotta use it.
You smell. You don't pop much.
Oops, shoot. Yeah, my video. Why is it so bright when I put the light on? Like, what the heck? You don't want to focus. Y'all said that when I'm doing my... Oh my god. Oh, somebody sent me a live video. Now it looks dark when you don't want to focus. Okay, there we go. Okay. Once she goes in the bathroom, I'm going to be playing the sound. Okay? And I'm going to be hiding on the stairs. Shh. I gotta hurry up. My phone's on 12. She's going in the bathroom now. I gotta get my phone still. Bro, it's so funny.
Why do you seem so scared? All I wanted to do was play with you. Please come and play with me. I am so lonely. You're not afraid of the dark, are you? Don't be afraid. Come with me. I will show you where I play hide and seek. Do you want to play hide and seek? You hide, and I'll find you. You're going to die in there. Don't say I didn't warn you.
What is that?
I know.
Come on, play. Who's got something scary?
It's a prank, Vanessa. Yes, she was.
What is it?
I was doing a YouTube. Yeah, Vanessa. Oh, I put up scary ghost sounds. It was so funny.
She was up to something.
Yeah, Vanessa was scared. She was like, that was creepy and stuff to mommy. You God. I was scared too. I was hiding behind in the laundry room, I think.
You was crying.
Uh,
But then I didn't know it was scary. So
Did she found out it was scary? It's a scaredy cat. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna end this video right here. Okay? End up turning into a success. Give a like. That was so funny. No, legit. That was so funny. So give this a like. And I'll see you in the next video when my mom gets back for the next one. Big like, subscribe, push the notification buttons, and yeah, period. Bye.